What's up guys? In this video, we're taking a quick look at Toonbee and whether it's worth trying. Toonbee is an AI-powered tool that transforms your photos into cartoon, anime, and digital art styles. Just upload an image, choose a style, and the AI generates your artwork in just a few moments. One of its biggest advantage is how easy it is to use. Everything runs in your browser, so there's no software to install, and you don't need any editing experience to get started. Toonbee offers some free features, but you'll need a paid plan to unlock more styles and higher quality results. The main downside is that the final image depends on the quality of your original photo, and the editing options are fairly limited compared to professional design software. Overall, Toonbee is a great choice if you want a quick and easy way to generate or create an AI artwork for social media or personal projects. So, I give it an 8 out of 10. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.